This video lists more suggestions for creating Dorian melodies. Notice that above the staff in the first measure, it has the chord capital F lowercase m, which in pop music and jazz changes refers to F minor, and specifically the notes F, A flat, and C. But when we are improvising on an F minor chord, we aren't limited to just those three pitches. First thing we have to decide is what universe we should choose our notes from. F minor could be part of the F Phrygian scale, the F Aeolian scale, which is also called the F natural minor scale, or as we are using in these exercises, the F Dorian scale. The notes on this page are not really a song, just some reference notes. Since we're in F Dorian, we mostly limit ourselves to 4 white keys, F, G, C, and D, and 3 black keys, A flat, B flat, and E flat. I wrote out 2 octaves of the Dorian scale in the right hand and notated an F minor 7th chord in the left hand as one of the many chords that would be compatible with F minor in this mode. It's probably worth playing through what's written on the page a few times, but the goal is to get away from that as soon as possible. So where do we start? Since we have already chosen the mode, why don't we try to pick a rhythm next? Suppose we begin with the little figure we used in the last video. D-dee-dee-dee, chord, chord. D-dee-dee-dee, chord, chord. That gives us 4 measures. Now let's go on to the next chord, E flat minor, which is the notes E flat, G flat, and B flat. I wrote out the E flat Dorian scale and a minor 7th chord on the page for reference. Let's try the same idea as we did for the F Dorian section. Notice that E flat Dorian scale has all of the black keys and only 2 white keys, F and C. Moving on, notice that the D Dorian has only white keys. For this section, we could repeat the same idea we used in the first 2, but that might be boring, so we could mix it up the notes a little bit, or use a figure with more skips. To give you a flavor of how this might sound when we put it all together, I've included an exercise at the end of this video, and it uses some of the ideas from this video plus the previous 2. You're certainly welcome to practice that, but I would encourage you to get off the page as soon as you can. Hope that you have fun making your own Dorian melodies.